Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Usually, we all feel that we are surrounded by problems. Problems. When one problem is solved, another problem is ready. So, how to overcome these problems? This is everybody's problem. Don't be under the impression that only you are having worries, only you are having problems, only you are having challenges. No. In this world, each and every person, whether he is rich or poor, he or she is having some problems or the other. Many times, why we get these problems, you are knowing, we are thinking about tomorrow, and that is why we are losing today's health. Thinking about tomorrow, we lose today. That is why we are facing these problems. We lose today's experiences, today's happiness, everything we lose because we keep on thinking what will happen tomorrow after my studies, whether I will get a good job. If I don't get a good job, what to do? Nowadays, because of AI and all, jobs are less. So, unnecessarily, unrelated, we keep on worrying. And this worrying creates again much more problems. It can be health issues, it can be emotional issues, anything. Let me share a short story so that it will tell you how to face these problems. Once what happened? A monkey was nicely enjoying on that tree. He was jumping from this branch to the other branch like this. Suddenly he saw a snake approaching him. He was scared. He was not knowing what to do. So immediately he caught the snake in his hand, especially its mouth, tightly, came down and called all other animals of the jungle. All the animals of the forest came there. They were just watching at the monkey, but nobody was ready to help him because the snake may come and bite. Even monkey was scared to leave it off because if he leaves it, the snake may come and bite him. So the time passed. All the animals of the forest gathered there watching the monkey, but no one came forward to help him. By the time one Swamiji was passing by that forest. So Swamiji saw, what is this going on? All the animals are having a meeting. He asked what happened. Then the monkey told him the problem. Swamiji smiled. He said, for such a long time you are holding that snake. Whether you feel that snake is alive now? Then the monkey realized that the snake was already dead because he was holding it tightly. It was not able to breathe. Then he threw the snake away and everyone departed from there. The same thing happens with us also. When we are having any problem, we are holding the problem tightly. We are calling other people. They come and they stand and just watch. Nobody will come to help you. Because exception is there, one or two may come. Otherwise, all are there to watch your trouble. Nobody will help you. So what we should do? We feel that the problem is killing us. Actually, what happens? We are able to kill the problem. So we should stop worrying. First thing is, we should stop worrying and we should think what are the options, how I can face the challenge, how I can solve the problems. Okay, option number 1, option number 2, 3, like this. Suppose a person has lost his job. He is having the problem naturally. Then first option, going and finding out another job. Second option, starting a setup of his own. Third option, going and studying ahead something more. If he is not in need of money because parents are looking after everything. So, studying one more extra course or something else, some extra skill which will help him to get a good job. So think about these options and then decide what to do. So first thing is you have to think about the options. Don't think about the problem. Think about the solution. Otherwise, what we generally do is we think, we discuss about the problem. We never look at the solution. Then what we have to do? We have to look at the solution. Look at the solution and then look at the options. And while doing all these things, first thing is don't get scared. Be courageous. Okay, I will do it. Let me see. So be courageous. And next thing is don't expect anything from anyone. Nobody will be there to help you. We have to help ourselves. You are knowing there is a proverb in English. Even God helps those people who help themselves. So we have to help our own self. So we have to solve the problem on our own, thinking at the options. So don't be scared, don't be worried, don't get afraid. Don't think about the problem, think about the solution. Then start how to solve it. Don't be bothered about your neighbors, other people, what they are talking, what they are telling about you. No. Think about your own self. Have your own belief, self-belief. Yes, I will do this. I will solve this. What is in that? This problem, I can solve it easily. This is all, no, I can. Have this mentality. Change your mindset. Be bold. Be courageous. Be ready to accept any change. Be ready to come out of the comfort zone if it is necessary. If it is necessary, come out of the comfort zone and start solving the problem or solving the challenge. Face the challenge. Be courageous, be bold, and go ahead. Don't think about the past. Don't think about other people, nothing. Think about the solution at present. Now what I can do. And I will do that. So, go ahead. See, your problem will be solved. So don't get scared. Believe in yourself. Self belief will do the wonders. Have a nice day.